Hello friends, I don't know how you feel, but at times I found it very difficult to sharpen my drill bits. Okay, I always managed to sharpen them somehow, but to be honest, it never looked very professional. But now I have a good solution to this problem. But first of all, what are the main challenges while grinding drill bits? The problem is the angles all need to be right. Most drill bits for steel having a cutting edge of 118 degrees. Well, if you look at it from the front. Well, let's turn it 90 degrees. Here you can see another angle. Let's call it the drop-off angle of the cutting edge. Usually it's between 7 and 11 degrees. It depends a little bit on the size of the drill bit. Another challenge is to grind the cutting edges evenly, so that not one is longer than the other. Here you can see what happens if one edge is longer than the other, or if the angle is not right. Basically, it's impossible to center the drill. Here in comparison, a correctly ground drill. Easy to center. Well, the solution of course is a jig, and this is what I came up with. Let me show you the idea of the design, how I made it and how it works. First of all, I prepared a piece of angle iron and screwed it to my bench grinder. Next step was to think about the jig and to make sure that the 118 degree of the cutting edge will be right. And I thought the easiest way would be to put in 2 screws that slide along the angle steel. Another advantage of this method is that the angle can easily be changed by just putting the screw in another hole. Now we need to think how we get the second angle right, the drop angle of the cutting edge. Therefore, a template would be a good solution. And with the CNC router it's quickly made. Here we are. It's so easy. The last problem we have to solve is to ensure that the edges are of the same length when sharpened. This little part is very helpful to hold the drill in place. Important is that the cutting edges of the drill bit need to be parallel to the top edge of the jig. Now we can start grinding. First one side. Then turn the drill around and put it back in the jig. Now you can grind the other side. And because of the mechanical stop, this side becomes just as long as the other. The result will be 2 cutting edges with exactly the same length, and the angles will be just right too. Just by the way, I used my CNC router to make the jig. But as you can see, the design of the jig is quite simple. And if you don't have a CNC router, I'm sure you find a different way to make one. Okay, bye friends. See you next time.